Welcome back to Daily AI Brief, your go-to podcast for the latest in artificial intelligence and machine learning innovations. In today's episode, we'll explore a range of exciting advancements that are reshaping industries, from software development automation to intelligent document processing. These technologies are not just transforming workflows, but are setting new benchmarks in efficiency and integration. OpenAI has unveiled Symphony, a transformative open source framework that has the potential to revolutionize how software development tasks are automated using autonomous AI coding agents. This framework is poised to make significant strides in enhancing efficiency and reliability by allowing AI agents to independently manage coding, continuous integration, CI, testing, and even some aspects of code review, fundamentally shifting the landscape of software development workflows. Central to Symphony's functionality is its decentralized multi-agent architecture. This design empowers AI agents to operate both autonomously and collaboratively, an essential feature for complex software developments. A decentralized ledger logs each agent's capabilities, providing transparency and fostering trust in operations, which is a critical consideration in collaborative environments. The beacon selection protocol further optimizes resource use by dynamically allocating tasks based on an agent's current availability and specialized skills. As a result, tasks are efficiently handled by the best-suited agent at any given time, maximizing productivity. To improve decision-making processes, Symphony incorporates a weighted result voting mechanism known as chains of thought, COATs. This system aggregates responses from multiple agents, increasing accuracy and robustness in task execution. Interestingly, Symphony has demonstrated substantial performance enhancements on reasoning benchmarks, which bolsters its applicability across various AI models with different capacities. Although specific performance improvement statistics haven't been disclosed, such benchmarks bolster confidence in its application. The Symphony framework is engineered for accessibility, designed to operate on consumer-grade GPUs. This is a strategic feature, as it democratizes AI capabilities, making sophisticated development tools available to a broader range of developers and enterprises that might not have extensive computational resources. As with all innovations, Symphony does have certain trade-offs and limitations. Its performance in diverse and demanding enterprise scenarios remains to be fully appraised. Moreover, potential compatibility challenges with existing project management tools could arise, which might necessitate additional integration efforts. Further, the framework's reliance on external systems for orchestration and task management suggests possible bottlenecks, particularly in environments demanding high scalability. For practical applications, developers can start by visiting the Symphony GitHub repository, where they can access the framework and begin integrating it into their workflows. Tools like Linear can facilitate real-time project monitoring, allowing Symphony to execute AI-driven tasks as projects meet predefined conditions. Setting up task triggers based on these criteria can provide immediate insights into Symphony's capabilities in a real-world setting. In essence, Symphony could substantially diminish manual intervention, thereby speeding up development cycles and enhancing quality. Today's software engineers might see a paradigm shift in their roles, with AI agents seamlessly integrating into coding environments to support or even drive entire projects. As organizations adapt Symphony, the collaboration between human expertise and AI technology could reach unprecedented levels, fostering advancements not just in efficiency, but also in creative and innovative project execution. YuanLab AI has unveiled Yuan 3.0 Ultra, a flagship multimodal mixture of experts model featuring a staggering 1 trillion total parameters. This is no small feat in the world of large language models, especially considering the challenges of balancing complexity with efficiency. The Yuan 3.0 Ultra model distinguishes itself with a sophisticated architecture capable of activating approximately 68.8 billion parameters at any given time. This selective activation is facilitated by the Layer Adaptive Expert Pruning (APE) algorithm, which intelligently narrows down active components during the task execution. This approach not only optimizes resource utilization, but also enhances pre-training efficiency by a notable 49%. Such efficiency gains are crucial for enterprise scenarios where computational resources and processing times are critical. One striking technical achievement of Yuan 3.0 Ultra is the implementation of an expert rearranging algorithm, maximizing GPU performance to a formidable 92.60 teraflops during pre-training. This significant performance metric underscores the model's ability to handle complex computations smoothly, ensuring that even the most intensive tasks are managed with remarkable speed and efficiency. The leap from Yuan 3.0 Flash, with its 40 billion parameters, to Yuan 3.0 Ultra's massive 1 trillion parameters illustrates a transformative step in AI development. Beyond mere size, the model's architecture has been tailored to reduce output token lengths by 14.38%, which optimizes the generation process, leading to clearer and more concise responses. Furthermore, overall efficiency has improved by up to 49%, a testament to the advanced algorithms driving this model. However, it's important to recognize that while the model sets a new benchmark, its performance can vary across different application contexts. The reliance on specific activation strategies might introduce constraints, requiring careful planning and integration into existing systems to fully leverage its capabilities. For those interested in exploring Yuan 3.0 Ultra, reviewing the YuanLab documentation is a vital first step for understanding deployment guidelines. YuanLab also provides benchmarks and case studies, facilitating the testing of the model's performance in real-world applications. This setup offers enterprises the tools needed to evaluate the model's true potential in handling document analysis and knowledge-based AI scenarios. Ultimately, Yuan 3.0 Ultra represents a significant advancement in large language models, setting new standards in efficiency and computational power. As AI continues to evolve, such innovations pave the way for more effective and resource-efficient solutions across industries. NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture is making waves in the financial sector with its unprecedented performance in large language model (LLM) inference. Let's dive into these advancements and see what they mean for the future of AI in finance. Groundbreaking performance metrics. The Blackwell architecture, particularly its GH200 superchip, pushes the boundaries by achieving 165 requests per second. On the Llama 3.1 8B model, with a median latency under 200 milliseconds. This is achieved by integrating newly optimized tensor cores specifically for LLM tasks, which enhance processing speed and accuracy. The larger Llama 3.1 70B model maintains 20 RPS with latency under 1 second, showcasing Blackwell's flexibility and efficiency, even when dealing with more complex datasets and models. In a dual-server setup, these capabilities are effectively doubled. The configuration achieves up to 47 RPS for smaller models and 6 RPS for larger models, enhancing throughput and carrying significant implications for handling complex financial data. These numbers underline NVIDIA's commitment to fulfilling the ever-increasing demands for high-speed data processing in the financial sector. Technical advancements and capabilities. The architecture leverages a 144 GB memory per GH200 superchip, allowing it to support expansive and diverse workloads. By employing advanced routing and batching techniques, Blackwell maximizes data processing efficiency while decreasing energy consumption by 25% compared to its predecessors. Moreover, the use of the TensorRT LLM compiler enhances the performance further by precisely optimizing the computations necessary for financial applications. Practical implications. In practical terms, NVIDIA's technology facilitates the rapid analysis and decision-making processes crucial in trading environments. This efficiency promises to reduce operational costs, stimulate market innovation, and propel AI-driven predictive analytics in finance. The ability to process 800 tokens per second on CoreWeave's setup and surpass 1,000 TPS on the Llama 4 Maverick model on an NVIDIA DGX B200 node showcases its excellence. However, translating these benchmark achievements to real-world scenarios can present challenges. Controlled benchmarking environments often yield superior results compared to varied deployment conditions encountered in practice. Larger models demand more resources, potentially increasing costs and narrowing applicability. Exploring the capabilities and future directions. For those interested in exploring this further, NVIDIA's detailed blog, and the Stack AI benchmark documentation are excellent resources. Testing the GH200 superchip in private enterprise environments can provide insights into its performance under varied workloads. Conclusion. In essence, the Blackwell architecture is setting new benchmarks in financial data processing, promising to redefine efficiency and speed in financial AI applications. By supporting faster and more efficient data processing, NVIDIA is helping the financial sector move towards real-time analytics and decision-making, paving the way for future innovations in AI-driven financial services. Anthropic's launch of the legal plugin for its AI platform, Claude, marks a significant foray into legal industry automation. Designed specifically to handle intricate legal tasks, this plugin addresses the growing demand for efficiency within legal workflows, introducing automation in areas ranging from contract reviews to compliance workflows, thereby streamlining traditionally labor-intensive processes. The capabilities of the plugin extend to automating clause-by-clause contract analysis and rapid NDA triage. This is achieved through a sophisticated system allowing users to configure risk-based playbooks, which help define standard positions and acceptable ranges for various legal scenarios. By integrating with existing document management systems, the plugin offers enhanced contextual understanding, ensuring that legal documentation aligns with organizational policies. A notable feature of the Claude plugin is its ability to interact seamlessly with multiple document management and project tracking tools via its MCP architecture. This interaction facilitates a richer engagement in chat and project tools, aiding roles like commercial counsel and litigation support by automating tasks like legal briefings and templated responses to common inquiries. While automation significantly eases manual workloads, all outputs undergo review by licensed attorneys, ensuring that the final product adheres to legal standards and maintains the integrity of legal oversight. The plugin's disruptive potential is underscored by immediate market reactions. The launch coincided with significant shifts, such as an 18% decline in Thomson Reuters stock, reflecting investor concerns over AI's influence in replacing traditional legal services. Additionally, an estimated total market value decrease of around $100 billion across legal tech sectors highlights the profound impact of this technological advancement on the industry. Nevertheless, Anthropic emphasizes that AI's role is to augment rather than replace human expertise, especially in complex legal scenarios where nuanced understanding remains crucial. For those interested in exploring this groundbreaking technology, detailed tutorials and user feedback are available on platforms like LexisNexis, which has integrated the plugin into its Protégé GenAI suite. These resources provide valuable insights into practical applications and real-world use cases, demonstrating how the Claude plugin enhances workflow efficiency and legal productivity. Despite its promise, the Claude plugin does come with trade-offs. Data privacy, especially when handling sensitive legal documents, remains a critical concern. Furthermore, while AI can augment legal processes, it also raises questions about potential employment impacts, data security, and the ethical considerations of relying on machine-generated outputs. Legal professionals are encouraged to engage with these tools actively, enhancing their expertise and preparing for an evolving legal landscape where AI is a collaborative partner. In summary, Anthropic's Claude plugin represents a paradigm shift in legal workflow management. By automating routine tasks and providing robust AI support, it empowers legal professionals to focus on higher-level responsibilities, potentially reshaping the future of legal practice. LangWatch recently launched an open-source platform that adds an evaluation layer for AI agents, something that could be essential for enhancing reliability in AI systems. With its introduction on March 4, 2026, LangWatch is targeting some of the most persistent challenges in AI development by providing a robust set of tools for debugging and evaluating AI systems. The platform brings together real-time observability, performance evaluations, agent simulations, and a comprehensive prompt management system, all designed to address the multifaceted demands of modern AI applications. The observability features capture real-time traces of language model LLM calls and user interactions, offering a transparent window into AI decision processes. This is crucial for identifying errors in complex, non-deterministic systems where traditional debugging might fail. By enabling end-to-end tracing across both production and synthetic datasets, LangWatch offers a level of insight previously unavailable to AI developers. The capacity to conduct evaluations against specific metrics such as prompts, models, and hosting providers further enriches its value proposition. Agent simulations are another standout feature. These simulations allow developers to test AI behavior in various hypothetical scenarios, including multi-turn conversations and edge cases, thus providing a proving ground before actual deployment. This not only reduces risks associated with AI deployment, but also optimizes the performance by identifying resource bottlenecks early on. Performance evaluations via the platform can be quite granular, capable of tracking costs and efficacy down to individual models, features, tenants, or even prompts. This layered approach to cost performance tracking identifies inefficiencies and guides smarter resource allocation, leading to more economically viable AI solutions. Another vital aspect is LangWatch's collaborative features that streamline annotation and workflow management. With integration capabilities that span multiple AI frameworks and coding assistants, it bridges gaps between different technologies, making it easier for development teams to work seamlessly. To get the most out of this platform, developers are encouraged to integrate LangWatch into existing AI workflows. Detailed documentation and resources are readily available, such as the agent simulations overview and hands-on components accessible via GitHub, offering practical steps to test and evaluate AI agents. However, like any burgeoning technology, LangWatch isn't without its challenges. Its effectiveness across various frameworks and tools still awaits full assessment, and its open-source nature means community support is pivotal for ongoing updates and innovation. There's also the potential for computational overhead due to the extensive logging. Even with these challenges, the potential implications for AI development are considerable. LangWatch could set new standards for AI agent evaluation, infusing more reliability into AI systems and reducing time to deploy. By identifying unnecessary bottlenecks and optimizing AI resource use, it not only improves efficiency but also bolsters trust in AI technologies, potentially revolutionizing enterprise environments. In essence, LangWatch equips developers with essential tools for comprehensive debugging and evaluation, promising to reshape the field of AI agent development. Ricoh has recently unveiled a groundbreaking intelligent document processing solution built on AWS, offering a transformative approach to managing large volumes of documents, particularly within the healthcare sector. The launch of their platform, Ricoh Intelligent Automation, on October 28, 2025, is set to redefine document automation through its innovative use of AI technologies. The platform deploys the GenAI IDP Accelerator, a sophisticated framework on AWS, enabling efficient data extraction and classification processes. This integration supports the seamless processing of over 10,000 healthcare documents each month, with future scalability reaching up to an impressive 70,000 documents monthly. Such capability is instrumental in addressing the acute needs of the healthcare industry, where managing big data is crucial for operational efficiency and patient care. One of the standout features of Ricoh Intelligent Automation is its ability to conserve approximately 1,900 person-hours annually. These savings are achieved by significantly reducing the need for manual data entry and handling, thereby minimizing errors and freeing up resources for more critical tasks. This reduction in manual workload not only boosts productivity, but also enhances compliance with industry regulations, such as HIPAA, essential for maintaining patient confidentiality and data security. However, the deployment of such automated solutions does come with its challenges. Performance gains can fluctuate depending on industry-specific needs and document types, requiring careful calibration for each use case. Further, integrating AI-powered solutions into existing workflows might present compatibility hurdles, necessitating thorough assessments and potential overhauls of current systems. Organizations may also need to invest in staff training to ensure personnel are equipped to utilize these AI tools effectively, thereby maximizing their potential benefits. To gain hands-on experience with Ricoh's solution, organizations are encouraged to explore documentation related to the Gen AI IDP Accelerator, available on AWS. This exploration can pave the way for demonstrations of the Ricoh Intelligent Automation Platform, providing valuable insights into its integration with existing document workflows. Additionally, leveraging its open-source nature offers developers the flexibility to customize the system according to unique organizational needs, further enhancing its applicability across various sectors. In conclusion, Ricoh's intelligent document processing solution is a significant leap forward in automating document-heavy processes. The platform's AI-driven capabilities promise substantial efficiency enhancements, not only in healthcare, but potentially across a myriad of sectors. As organizations continue to grapple with the complexities of data management, solutions like Ricoh's are poised to play a crucial role in streamlining operations and driving innovation in document processing. Arise is shaking up the AI engineering world with Alyx 2.0, a transformative step forward in enhancing user interaction through natural language commands integrated within the AX CLI environment. This latest release, announced in late February 2026 with a developer preview on March 4th, harnesses the power of language processing to streamline what were traditionally manual, repetitive tasks in AI workflows. Alyx 2.0 allows users to operate systems with substantial autonomy, capable of performing a range of complex tasks like trace debugging, prompt engineering, and error analysis. These features permit users to manage multi-step processes without manual intervention, significantly enhancing productivity by integrating advanced planning capabilities. The system provides versatile output options in JSON, CSV, and Parquet formats, a necessity for diversified data handling. Aries projects that Alyx 2.0 can reduce manual intervention by up to 75%, although detailed performance metrics are not fully disclosed, leaving room for practical evaluation by users. Alyx 2.0 integrates seamlessly with its default model, Claude Sonnet 4.5, and supports various coding agents such as Cursor, Claude Code, or Codex. This flexibility is crucial for adapting to different development environments and meeting specific enterprise needs. However, certain limitations and trade-offs exist due to the varying maturity of features and diverse integration challenges across different agents. The implications of this release are widespread. Alyx 2.0's autonomous features democratize access to sophisticated AI functionalities, potentially changing industry standards for AI engineering tools. This could lead to reduced setup times for AI projects and alter traditional roles, emphasizing oversight over manual coding efforts. Despite its groundbreaking capabilities, challenges remain in Alyx 2.0's adoption. The early-stage maturity of features and uncertainties surrounding performance benchmarks may inspire cautious evaluation from users. Integration effectiveness also varies among different coding agents, underlining the importance of practical testing and gradual implementation. A practical step to begin using Alyx 2.0 is to delve into comprehensive documentation and participate in the AX CLI developer preview. Testing automated workflows within the platform's spans, experiments, and dataset modules can provide valuable insights into its advantages and potential limitations. In essence, Alyx 2.0 is not just an enhancement, it's a redefinition of what AI engineering workflows can be. By pushing the boundaries of autonomous operations, it promises a future where AI tools are not only assistants but integral players in the coding process. LangSmith's latest innovation, a command line interface, CLI, complemented by a comprehensive set of skills, is poised to significantly enhance the performance of AI coding agents within its ecosystem. This development promises substantial efficiency gains that could redefine standards in AI debugging and testing. The CLI introduces skills like trace, dataset, and evaluator, all executable directly from the terminal, allowing developers to streamline debugging processes and perform targeted performance improvements efficiently. By enabling command line execution, developers can query data, curate datasets, and assess performance without switching contexts, thus reducing the overhead traditionally associated with these tasks. One of the most striking achievements post-integration is observed in Claude Code, an AI coding assistant, where task success rates have surged from 17% to an impressive 92%, and success in LangChain tasks improved from 29% to 95%. These figures underscore the transformative potential of these CLI tools in optimizing AI agent performance dramatically. However, while these performance improvements are promising, it is crucial to note that they are based on internal benchmarks and require independent validation for broader credibility. There may also be challenges during the integration process, particularly concerning the existing architecture of AI agents. Navigating these challenges requires a comprehensive understanding of the framework and a well-thought-out implementation strategy. Developers keen to leverage these tools can explore the official LangSmith CLI documentation here to go/docs.langchain.com/langsmith/skills.utm source OpenAI to access detailed usage guides. The LangChain blog offers comprehensive release notes, providing deeper insights into the CLI's functionality. For practical integration steps, developers are encouraged to follow detailed instructions available on the same platform. In summary, LangSmith's new CLI and skill set are poised to reshape how developers interact with, optimize, and deploy AI agents. Through a well-structured approach to debugging and performance assessment, these tools can foster a cycle of continuous improvement and innovation in AI coding environments, thereby potentially setting a new standard for developer tools in this domain. Recent research has shown promising advancements in the reasoning capabilities of large language models, LLMs, by incorporating Bayesian inference methodologies. This approach addresses some of the inherent limitations of traditional LLMs, specifically their struggle with belief updating and probabilistic reasoning. By training LLMs to replicate Bayesian processes, models can make more reliable predictions, an essential improvement for applications requiring high accuracy, such as recommendation systems and decision-making frameworks. To understand this paradigm shift, we need to delve into the mechanisms that allow LLMs to adopt Bayesian reasoning. Essentially, this involves integrating Bayesian frameworks within the LLM training architecture. By leveraging probabilistic models for belief updating, these models can more effectively mimic the iterative refinement process inherent to Bayesian inference. This methodological approach includes adjusting the LLM inputs to reflect Bayesian logic, which then enables the models to generalize across various tasks, a long-standing challenge in AI development. Although specific model parameters and exact performance metrics have not been disclosed, the research indicates a notable increase in accuracy for recommendation tasks. Initial testing shows significant improvements in model outputs by aligning with Bayesian reasoning, potentially leading to better generalization and prediction capabilities. However, it is important to consider the computational overhead and training time associated with these sophisticated processes, as they may introduce latencies that need to be managed carefully. For practitioners interested in adopting this methodology, practical steps include reviewing the full paper available on archive.org, abs/2503.1723, source OpenAI, where in-depth methodological details are provided. Experimenting with available APIs designed to integrate Bayesian reasoning within LLM applications can also offer insights into practical applications. While the promise of teaching LLMs to reason like Bayesians is clear, there are trade-offs and limits to consider. The long-term effectiveness and scalability across different use cases require further evaluation. Moreover, the potential over-reliance on Bayesian techniques could overlook other valuable reasoning methods, hinting at the need for hybrid approaches in AI research. The implications of such advancements are profound. Improved reasoning capabilities can transform AI-driven sectors, leading to smarter decision support tools and more reliable user interactions. However, the impact on AI ethics, transparency, and accountability remains a fertile ground for further research and discussion. In summary, teaching LLMs to reason like Bayesians represents a strategic leap forward in AI development. Not only does it offer improved predictive accuracy and efficiency, but it also sets the stage for future innovations in leveraging probabilistic reasoning within AI systems. The introduction of the Tree of Thoughts (TOT) reasoning agent via the AG2 platform represents a significant advancement in AI decision-making frameworks. This system leverages a methodology that enables AI agents to explore multiple reasoning paths concurrently, a stark departure from traditional linear reasoning models. Such an approach holds particular promise for complex decision-making scenarios often encountered in enterprise settings. Central to the reasoning agent framework is the utilization of beam search algorithms. Beam search is a heuristic search algorithm that explores a graph by expanding the most promising node and maintaining a fixed number of distinct paths. This method allows for a selective exploration of potential decision paths, ensuring only the most viable options are considered. The process is complemented by the integration of a grader agent, which systematically evaluates and scores each path based on predefined criteria, selecting the optimal routes for further exploration. Another compelling feature of the reasoning agent is its ability to log exploration paths. These logs serve not only as a resource for analyzing past decision-making processes, but also as a foundation for creating supervised fine-tuning datasets. By refining these datasets, organizations can optimize their decision process, improving accuracy and efficacy over iterations. Although precise metrics for success have yet to be extensively published, the theoretical framework suggests substantial improvements in operational decision quality. A notable benefit of tree of thoughts reasoning is its applicability in structured decision-making frameworks, which are increasingly crucial in complex enterprise applications. By systematically exploring multiple reasoning paths, the reasoning agent can aid in strategic planning and policy-driven execution, both of which demand high levels of decision accuracy and reliability. While reasoning agent shows great promise, its adoption comes with challenges. The effectiveness of its multipath exploration in various real-world scenarios remains under scrutiny, mainly due to questions of scalability and computational efficiency. Beam search, while powerful, can be computationally intensive, posing potential limits in environments with restricted processing capabilities. Further, the successful implementation depends on the specific application context and the availability of comprehensive data, without which the system's potential may not be fully realized. For those interested in exploring the practical applications of the reasoning agent, resources are readily available. The AG2 documentation and Azalin's overview provide comprehensive insights into the methodology's application in complex decision-making. Furthermore, accessing sample notebooks can offer hands-on exposure to the framework's operations, offering a practical perspective on how TOTI can be implemented to enhance decision-making processes. In summary, the Tree of Thoughts framework is poised to reshape AI reasoning by introducing parallel exploration strategies for advanced decision-making tasks. As organizations continue to integrate AI into critical decision-making arenas, innovations like the reasoning agent represent a pivotal step toward more intelligent and adaptive systems capable of learning from previous outcomes. The implications for industries such as healthcare, finance, and strategic enterprise planning are profound, potentially paving the way for a future where AI-driven decisions are both intuitive and robust. That wraps our episode for today. From OpenAI's Symphony to the groundbreaking Bayesian reasoning frameworks, it's clear that AI is evolving at a rapid pace, reshaping everything from software development to legal workflows. Stay curious and keep exploring these technologies as they promise to redefine industries. See you tomorrow for another dive into the world of AI.